Welcome to the sixth session, and in this one, we are going to look at tentative costing of this project. Um, I also added this box that represents the two shops that we had, um, slightly bigger, and it is just eyeballed. It is pretty rough for quick feasibility studies. Um, Brilliant. So we need the grasshopper. How do we do um, calculation for the costs? So one method, there's several methods. One method is simply the square foot or square meter rates. We multiply that rate with the built up area and we'll simply get that. So that is one way to go about. And if you want to go with that, we've got where's the total built up area? This is the plot area. Mm-mm-mm. Built up area. So we simply multiply it by the rate of the building. Now, if you want it to be generic, then you simply put in one rate over here, which is, let's say, 2200. Oh, it is square meters. So it will be 22,000. And then we get the final answer. Let me guess how much it would be without looking. Um oh, it's pretty obvious. It's 2.2, it's 22 million, 23.4 million, right? Yeah, 23.4 million. No, I'm confused. What is this? um oh, this is 2.34 million. All right, so that is wrong. Hmm. Oh, I did not correct, right? It should be 22 million. Um, one, two, three, because this is in square meters. I'm just adding 10. Yeah, now that is the correct answer. So it's 23.4 million rupees. That is the tentative costing. So that's a like super simple rate. But if you've got some rate like ground floor rate is different, first floor is different, and then there is incremental increase, which is true because of the increase in carting cost, lifting charges. Then you can create a series, and let's say, hypothetically speaking, ground floor is 1500, so we'll start with 1500. Sorry, 15823 with 15,000 per square meter, not square feet. That's the start. And then with every floor, there's an increase in 2000. If it is square feet, it is 200. And that is why I took the average and got the average to be 22,000. And then the count will be the number of floors, which is over here. So that will give me the number of different, like the series, different rates. And I'm going to multiply it with um, this one um, one floor area. So BUA per floor, which is 140. It won't be accurate because I did not add the balconies to it. Um, it's simply 1 into 8. So it will be simply plus 8. So instead of 140, it will be 148. Actually, let's do that to be super accurate. So I add the balcony area to it. So this is the BUA per floor, built up area per floor 148. What are we doing? We are multiplying 148 with each of these things, and then we are going to add them all up. Let me show you what I mean by that. So 148 multiplied by all these different rates, right? So 148 multiplied by this, 148 multiplied by this, 148, da 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 da, and then we are going to add them up. Or you could simply take the average of this and multiply it by 148. And coincidentally, I think it will be 22,000. Amazing. Is the intuition that starts working after being in the field for, I'm not in this field for very long, like, but yeah, I think 11 years since starting of graduation. Um, yeah, wow, amazing. I'm surprised. So let's see how much does the answer come out to be. I'm super excited. So right now there will be like a list of numbers. Yeah, perfect. And then we'll do mass addition and let's see what happens. Ah, okay. So this is 22 million. You remember I said it will come out to be 22 million. Uh, According to this calculation, it came out to be 23.4. According to this calculation, it came out to be 21.75, almost 22 million. It's crazy. Amazing. Um, yeah. But in reality, the cost would be a lot more. This is just like the civil construction cost. We'll add like 20-30% to it to get the actual cost. 1.3, adding 30% to it. So we'll get 25, 28 million. Okay, cool. And we can round it off so that we don't have to see those E plus 7 thing. Custom round. No. Round to factor. Factor 5. Mm, Negative. Okay, so it's still not working. We can just divide it by some number. Divide by 10,000. Yeah, this is better. Or even more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we will get directly in millions. 28.28 million. And then we can round it off. Round. 28. Total cost in millions, 28 million. Simple as that. So that is assuming these rates. We will have to tally it and confirm with the contractor what rates to put in. And then we can quickly see, according to both these calculations, what is the final outcome. So I hope this was useful. I mean, I got my work done, and at the same time, I got to teach as well, which is my passion. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.